Alam ko excited kayo lahat at the very moment sa mga pangyayari sa mundo ng Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Hey, I'm very excited too, and on this short update video, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ang posibleng rason kung bakit nagpump ang Bitcoin to 34K at quick update sa portfolio ko after this pump. So ano nga ba talaga ang posibleng rason kung bakit nagpump ang Bitcoin kagabi? Apparently, it seems na malapit na ma-approve ang Bitcoin Spot ETF ng BlackRock o multiple Bitcoin ETF dito sa US. Now, I don't exactly remember yung mga eksaktong dates pero alam ko na may kaso sa Grayscale Investments versus the SEC dahil yung SEC, nireject niya yung application ng Grayscale na makonvert nila yung Bitcoin trust nila into an ETF. Now, magkaiba ang trust sa ETF. Ang ETF pwede mo matrade like a regular stock on a regular trading day, habang naman ang trust ay traded only once per day at the end of a trading day. Also, close-ended daw ang trust, which means may fixed number of shares lang siya. Walang ETF naman ay open-ended at pwede madagdagan ng shares. So, balik tayo sa kaso ng Grayscale versus SEC. Nanalo ang Grayscale sa lawsuit nila where the court cited na ang SEC daw ay arbitrary and capricious. Meaning, the past year maraming inapprove ang SEC ng mga Bitcoin ETF. Actually, 4 na ang na-approve pero hindi siya spot ETF. They are futures Bitcoin ETF. So dito pumapasok yung idea na arbitrary ang mga decisions ng SEC kasi ayon sa idea ng Grayscale, bakit inapprove ng SEC ang mga futures ETF pero hindi spot ETFs as these two products are very similar. Now, since nanalo na ang Grayscale na pwede na nila i-convert yung trust nila into an ETF, marami nagsasabi na dahil sa movement na ito, posible na daw ma-approve ang Bitcoin Spot ETFs. And possibly the current movement today that we are seeing are big investors na nag-i-expect na mangyari na ito. So let's take a quick look at our portfolio at nakikita ninyo from the portfolio reveal video right here, I am up a little bit. Magpaplano sana ako mag-DCA pero I think maghihintay na muna ako mag-retrace ang BTC to 31K or pag na-establish na ang 31K as support. And no, hindi ako magfo-FOMO at the moment. I was actually thinking na bababa ang Bitcoin to 25K or even 20K as I've been following Rag Capital's thesis right here. And also, because of this monthly stochastic RSI na bearish cross down. But again, if we look back noong 2016, there's a possibility na mag-cross down and cross back up and magstay dito sa area na ito ang stochastic RSI and then drop down pag tapos na yung bullish cycle ng Bitcoin. So hopefully you've enjoyed this quick update video. I just want to say I am making these videos to show you my own journey towards my own financial freedom, and hopefully you are riding along with me towards your own quest towards financial freedom. Thank you once again. This has been Mark of CryptoQuestPH signing out.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I gotta